to meet you guys. W140 to clip off A, B, C, C, D, D, and push, 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 push. Not this. No, 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 no. This. Good. Until this success, you uncable this, and you have a cable. Only this. Inside about this is for etiquette. Yes, this is W140 for air window only in the center of the car. Yes, this is air window. Air window. Yes, air condition AC window. Yes, same in front. This is rear or passenger side. This is yes, you can bring it out, yes or not. No, because you have some cable in this and you can find the way how to bring this out, but I cannot. Thank you so much. Xin lỗi mọi người. Trời ơi, what the other go on. Ta-da! Shit. Oh my gosh, this is not bad. Okay, see you next time. Hello, this is cable outside and inside. Yes. This is air hole under this. This is air hole, air condition. The wind outside to this and outside by this. What? Okay, Silla. I am sorry. Okay, this air condition come to this, passing. Outside, I put to this. Yes. No electric. Yes, but some series have some climate control here about left and right person, left person, right person. Yes, this is not climate control. This is a window of the air condition only. Okay, this is climate. No climate control. This is window of air condition AC, and cable to push speed up, speed down, speed up, speed down, low and upper. Yes. Okay, W140 Mercedes. Yes, as you wish. You want to drive and you want to take care. As you wish. Thank you so much. See you. Bye. I cannot bring the cable out next time. Okay. See you. Thank you so much. Lady to only show, please.